Hey again, it's Kim with Bespoke Motor Company. Today we're just going to talk about the premium audio system we've installed in the BJ45 Urban Warrior. This Sony receiver produces pure audio quality for an industry-leading listening experience. It has USB ports and a wireless Bluetooth connection, and the Sony Music Center app makes it easy to stream music from your favorite platform or to make phone calls. You'll notice that there's no digital screen. It's an analog system, so it suits the vintage vibe of the vehicle and it won't go out of style. And because it's analog, there's no loss in audio quality. So the receiver's connected to the Audio Control 6-channel amplifier, which packs award-winning power and tuning flexibility. The Audio Control is an American company with a 40-plus year history of designing and building superb audio equipment from scratch, and this amp lets you fully customize your listening experience. The sound is then split and broadcasted through front and rear Focal speakers. Focal is a manufacturer of world-leading audio equipment. Their products are designed and developed in France, and they've been perfecting sound quality for over 40 years. With unique M-shaped Kevlar cones, these speakers provide dynamic sound, perfect definition, and even sound distribution. Come visit us at Bespoke. You can experience the sound quality for yourself.